Fifth standard maths. Open your second semester book. Topic number 13. Decimals. Decimals. Decimal numbers means what? We learn in 4th standard also. We learn there in 4th standard. Decimal number as a fraction. You call that as a fraction. Write as a many zeros in the denominator number as the decimal place. In the decimal numbers. Okay, first one. See, which is a decimal numbers. See, 14.35. 14.35. You call that number decimal number. You call that number decimal number. First, you call this one number integral number. Integral number. You call before point. Before point which number coming, you call that integral part. Integral part. Understand? And you call that all number, whole number, decimal number. Decimal number. Okay. Now, how to convert the decimal number into the fraction? Convert. Okay. How to convert decimal number to the fraction? First, 0.4 given. 0.4 given. Okay. Then what you do here? 0.4 means first see after point how many is number there? Only 1. So write there on denominator place 10 and write on numerator place 4. This number write here and denominator place write 0. Why we write here 0? After point there is only 1 number. So you write on denominator place 10. Next one, see 0.04. 0.04. Now after point how many number is there? 1, 2. 1, 2. You write there 100. You write there 100. Means you write there how many is there number? 2. Give there 2 0 and 1 right. Means you write there 100. And this one number write on numerator place. Okay. All of you understand now how to convert? Next one example 0.004. 0.004. Write there 4 on numerator number and denominator place. How many 0 give? 1, 2 and 3 and 1. Right. 4 divided by 1000. 4 by 1000 you write there. All of you understand? All of you understand how to write? How to convert? Okay. Now, convert the fraction to decimal number. Fraction to decimal number. See here 7816 divided by 10. 10 means only 1 0. Where you give the point? Before 1 number. Before 1 number. Only here is 1 0. Yeah, only here is 10. And count their left side. Count their numbers left side. Your hands right side. Okay, hands right side. Count there only 1 number. Give their dot. Give their decimal point and write their remaining number. Write the remaining number. Same as it is, 7816 by 100 by 100. How to write this one number? See, how many 0? 1, 2. Count there, 1, 2. Write there 16. Give there a decimal point and remaining number write there. Okay, next one, 7816 divided by 1000. Now count there how many 0? 3. Count there last 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3. 816 write and give there a decimal point before 3 numbers and write their remaining numbers. Write their remaining numbers. Understand? All of you understand? This one we learn in 4th standard also. Okay. Now, comparing and ordering decimal numbers. Comparing and ordering decimal numbers. First we learn here like decimal, like decimals. Okay, like decimals means what? Decimals are said to be like decimals, if they have the same number of decimal place. Means 4.21, 4.17, 6.73. You call that like decimal, like a decimal. Means here, see here, all have 2 digits after the decimal point. All have 2 digits after the decimal point. Okay. Next one, unlike decimal. Unlike decimals. Unlike decimals means what? Decimals have different decimal places are called unlike decimal. Okay, unlike decimals. For example, see 4.21, 3.1, 9.168. See, after decimal point here 2 numbers. After decimal how many numbers is there? Only 1. After decimal point how many number is there? 1, 2, 3 is there. So you call that number unlike decimal number. Now, unlike decimal number convert into the like decimals. Okay. How to convert? See here. Convert unlike to like decimals. First one, example we learn here. 1.68, 3.9 and 4.238. Okay. Now see here. You convert their unlike to like decimals. Unlike to like decimals. First, after point, most of the biggest number, which number? 1.68, 3.9 and 4.238. Who have maximal? See here. How many maximal decimal numbers here? 2, 1, 3. How many? 3. 3 is a maximal decimal places number. Okay. The maximal decimal places are here 3. So, what you do? You required number of 0 to the right of each number of the last decimal digits. Okay. See here. First one 1.68 na 1.68. You convert there 1.680. Next one 3.9. You write there 3.900. 4.238 is a right as it is 238. Understand? Now when you compare this one number, when you compare the number, integral parts you compare first. Integral parts means before of decimal point. Before of decimal point. Integral part is same. Where integral part is same, then change the decimal into the like decimal and compare the decimal part. Okay. Now see. First one 1.23.47, 321.51 and 418.96. Okay. First you compare there. When you write ascending and descending order of decimal point, first you compare integral part means before the decimal point. First one 123, 1, 3, 4, which is the smallest? 1. So write there 123.47, then 321.51, then 418.96. Descending order also same as it is. First integral part compare there, which is the greatest number. First you write 418.96, 321.51, then 123.47. Now next one, see here 0.51, 0.7 and 0.237. Now this one is a unlike fraction. You call that unlike fraction. First you change their like fraction 0.510, 0.700 and 0.237. Now compare integral parts. Compare their integral parts means you compare after decimal number point. Okay, 510, 700, 237. Write their ascending order. 0.237, 0.510 or 0.700. All of you understand? Understand now how to compare? Okay. Now open your textbook. Open your textbook exercise. Open your textbook exercise. Convert this decimal into the like decimal. Convert these decimals into the like decimal. First one, what to do? Open your notebook, write there topic name, decimals. Okay. Then write page number 62. Page number 62. Write their question number. First, convert these decimals into like decimals. Then first one, 6.37, 12.4, 2.108. 108. Now, see here. This is a unlike fraction. Why? After decimal parts, there is one side 2 numbers is there, one side 1 only number, and one side 3 numbers is there. So you write there 6.37. Convert first. 6.370. 12.400, 2.108. Understand? All of you understand? Write this type. Okay. B1. Convert 8.5, 8.05 and 8.005. Now also you convert there. In a after decimal part, after decimal point, you want there 3 numbers also. So write there 8.500, 8.050, 8.005. C1, 19.17, 33.481, 20.1. Write their answer. 19.170, 13.481, 20.100. Okay. This is your homework. This is your homework. Now compare. Insert more than or less than or is equal to sign. More than, less than or is equal to sign. First one, see 0.23 dash dash 0.4, 0.4. Okay, you compare their number. See 0.23 and 0.4. After decimal part, first you compare first number. 2 and 4 is there. This 4 means 40, 400, anyone. Okay, 0.4. You compare 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Which is the greatest number? 4 is the greatest number. So, 0.23 is a smaller than the 0.4. Next one. 39.1, 19.49. First, now you compare integral part. Means before point. Before decimal point. 39 and 19. 39 is the greatest number. So 39.1 is a greater than the 19.49. Next one 0.54 dash dash 0.45 0.45 0.54 dash dash 0.45. Compare their first number 5 and 4. So 0.54 is a greater than the 0.45. Next one 0.232 dash dash 0.74 dash dash 0.74. You compare their first one number. You convert this one like fraction 0.740. Okay, you compare there 2 and 7. Which is the greatest number? 7. So 0.232 is a smaller than the 0.74. Okay, now E and F is your homework. E and F is your homework. Now also open your notebook. Write there question number 3. Arrange in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. First one 1.64, 0.64, 0.064 and 0.46. Now first to compare. First to convert there as a like fraction. See here is 3 decimal part. 3 numbers here after decimal point. Write there 106. First you write convert into like fraction. Convert into like fraction. Okay. Now 1.640, 0.640, 0.064 and 0.460. Now you write ascending order. See, compare their first 0.064, then 0.460, then 0.640, then 1.640. Now 0.64 is here, so write there 0.64. Original number you write here in the question. Which original number given na, that one you write here. 0.46, 0.640, 0.64 and then write 0.664. This is your final answer. Understand? Next one B1. B1 12.32, 1.232, 0.1232 and 123.2. Okay. Now you convert as a like fraction. Okay. Convert as a like fraction. 12 point. Here 4 numbers is given na. After point 4 number is given there. So convert into after decimal part 4 number you want. Give there 20. 1.2320, 0.1232, 123.2 2000. Okay, now you compare. First one 0.1232, then 1.2320, then 12.3200 and 123.2000. Now here write your original number 1232, 1.232, 12.32 and 123.2. Understand? Okay. C1 is your homework. Now question number 4. Arrange the descending order. Arrange the descending order. 11.70, 11.07, 11.007, 1.107. First, here also you write as a like fraction. Convert into the like fraction. Write as a like fraction. Okay, here see maximal. How many there maximum number after decimal point? 3. Convert into after decimal point 3 numbers you want. 11.700, 11.070, 11.007, 1.107. Right there. Descending order here. Descending order means what? Right there first greatest number 11, 11, 11. Okay. Then you compare after decimal point 700 means 7 is the greatest number. So right there 1107, 11.700. Then 0, 7, 0, 0 is there. So right there 11.070, 11.007, then write 1 point. Right there original number 11.70, 11.07, 11.007, then write 1 point. Understand? Here B and C is your homework. Today's homework complete there, page number 62. Okay, thank you.